G'day there. Well, we had a catch-up yesterday with some weather enthusiasts in Geraldine at John Gall's place. He is the president of the New Zealand Thunderstorm Society. There were about 6 or 7 of us, so that was a good wee catch-up. We talked about the weather, potential things coming up in regards to the weather. What else would we be talking about? Okay, the last 7-day period, there was really mainly one storm chance. There could have been 2, I guess you could say. There was Tuesday the 2nd and then Wednesday the 3rd of December. Wednesday the 3rd is the main day I'll focus on, where there were various thunderstorms over the North Island. There was some large hail, and because of those strong winds, I believe there may have been a tornado or 2, which sort of worked out with what we were saying last week. Some nice structured storms there on Wednesday. Let's look ahead to tomorrow, Monday, where we have this front here pushing northwards over the South Island. Now this front is going to sort of collapse quite a bit. This is 7 a.m. in the morning. When we go to the afternoon map, you'll see what I mean. But we'll start here because there is some very nice cold air brushing the far south here, first thing in the morning. So Southland, there could be a rumble or 2, maybe some small hail. It's not like a massive chance, but there is a chance there. Let's move to the afternoon, and yeah, you can really see that front breaks apart. There will probably still be quite a bit of cloud about in here, but yeah, that the rain or showers, they really start to clear it away. But there is some instability in the hills in behind Nelson Marlborough in the afternoon. You never know, maybe something could spark up there. Could be an isolated heavy shower, a low risk of some thunder perhaps. Let's move forward to Wednesday, which is our next chance. There doesn't really look to be much happening on this map, but there are a few little things going on. It's mainly these showers here about central Otago. Winds are converging, going into like a little bit of a heat low. You can actually see a wee low pressure system there. That's like a bit of a heat low. There'll be a similar thing going on for central Otago. There's just enough cold upper air there. See those dashed lines? You know, the more you go that way, the colder the air is getting. But because we're getting into summer now, surface temperatures are going to be warming up quite a bit, so hence a few isolated showers, maybe a risk of thunder there in the afternoon for some spots. Then we move to Thursday, where the chances increase a little bit more. First off, I'll be looking at these showers here. Central Otago once again, but perhaps a little bit more in the east this time, so just inland from coastal Otago. Those showers there. Some instability in the afternoon, maybe a thunderstorm or 2. And later into the evening and overnight, those showers there are going to grow a little bit, and you never know. They could even sort of move up the coast here, getting into coastal South Canterbury, later in the evening, perhaps into overnight. It's not a guarantee, but maybe something along those lines could happen. Then we've got a front down here which brings some cold air that pushes over the South Island on Friday. There we go. And it's a low pressure system there. I'll go back a step actually, because that low, it sort of comes down. As it comes down, the back end of the low sort of slingshots that front up over New Zealand. Okay, there we go. And it brings showers, some cloudy and cooler weather, which to be honest I would appreciate, because Canterbury's been quite hot so far this November, getting into December. I know a lot of people move to Australia because they want warmer weather. Bring back some winter for me, thank you very much. I would rather be cold and like put on a jersey to sort of like keep nice and cozy, rather than be like really hot and try to cool myself down. That's how I'm placed. So this is Friday, south to southwesterly airflow over New Zealand. Then you can see these showers right here. It's going to be sort of like mainly west of the main divide, especially up around Springs Junction, Murchison, Buller, that sort of area. Those southerlies there are going to converge with winds on this side, coming in like that. There's enough cold upper air, instability. Could be a few thunderstorms in the afternoon, you never know. Maybe a little bit of hail, could be a thunderstorm. Something to look forward to. Okay, we'll catch you again next weekend. Cheers.